Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to convert feet and inches to centimeters directly within Excel. Short visual of feet and inches measurement next to a centimeter ruler, or a quick animation. Have you ever needed to work with measurements in feet and inches in Excel but needed to convert them to centimeters for calculations or reporting? It can be a bit tricky, but Excel offers a few ways to do it effectively. In this video, we'll walk you through two different methods, so you can choose the one that best fits your needs. We'll cover a simple formula-based approach and then explore using Excel's built-in conversion functions. Transition to screen recording of an Excel spreadsheet. Okay, let's jump right into it. First, let's assume we have a column with feet and inches. Let's say column A contains the number of feet, and column B contains the number of inches. So for example, A2 might have 5 for 5 feet, and B2 might have 8 for 8 inches. We want to convert 5 feet 8 inches to centimeters. Demonstrate entering 5 in A2 and 8 in B2. Method 1. Using a simple formula. The first and maybe most straightforward method is to use a simple formula. We know that 1 foot equals 12 inches, and 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. So, we can combine these conversions into a single formula. In cell C2, where we want our centimeter result, we'll enter the following formula. Sadface A2 asterisk 12 plus B2, asterisk 2.54. Slowly type the formula into cell C2 while explaining each part. Let's break that down. A2 asterisk 12 converts the feet to inches. We then add the inches we already have in B2. So, we have the total number of inches. Finally, we multiply that by 2.54 to convert the total inches to centimeters. Press Enter. The result should appear. For 5 feet 8 inches, it will be approximately 172.72 centimeters. And there you have it. 5 feet 8 inches is approximately 172.72 centimeters. You can then drag this formula down to apply it to all the other rows of your data. Demonstrate dragging the formula down to apply it to multiple rows. Method 2. Using the convert function. Excel also has a built-in convert function that can handle a variety of unit conversions, including feet and inches to centimeters. This method is a bit more versatile, especially if you need to convert to other units later on. However, the convert function doesn't directly handle feet and inches as a single unit. So, we still need to do a bit of prep work. We'll use the same data setup, feet in column A and inches in column B. In cell D2, let's try this formula. Equals convert, A2, FTCM plus convert, B2, in cm. Slowly type the formula into cell D2 while explaining each part. Here, we're using the convert function twice. The first part, convert, A2 feet, cm, converts the feet in cell A2 to centimeters. The second part, convert, B2, in cm, converts the inches in cell B2 to centimeters. Then, we add the two results together. Press Enter. The result should appear and be the same as method 1. Again, the result will be approximately 172.72 centimeters. You can drag this formula down just like before. Demonstrate dragging the formula down to apply it to multiple rows. Comparing the two methods. Both methods achieve the same result. The first method is simpler if you're only converting from feet and inches to centimeters. The second method, using the convert function, is more flexible if you anticipate needing to convert to other units in the future. The convert function supports a wide range of units. Briefly show a list or mention a few other units the convert function supports, like meters, miles, etc. So, choose the method that best suits your specific needs and your comfort level with Excel formulas. Return to face camera or visual representation of channel logo. And that's it. You now know two different ways to convert feet and inches to centimeters in Excel. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give this video a like and subscribe to Fix Zone for more Excel tips and tricks. Also, let us know in the comments if you have any other Excel questions or topics you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching.